In the meantime, amid the rising gun violence across the island, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has revealed that his government is working more closely with the United States in trying to stop the illicit gun trade. On the heels of that revelation is also a potential plan to offer gun amnesty for illegal gun users. Javon Keys reports.
No one in Jamaica should have an illegal firearm.
A warning to gunmen and traffickers from the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. He said the next few weeks will be their last chance to give up or destroy their weapons. The state is even prepared to facilitate the handover of illegal weapons.
Find a way to turn over the gun to the police. We might even give you some amnesty.
For Mr. Holness, criminals who do not take up the offer to give up the illegal weapons will suffer the consequences of that decision if they are caught. Their futures, he explained, will likely include a minimum of 15 years in prison. In addition to the lengthy sentences, the new firearms legislation will also seek to take the profit out of the illegal gun trade.
Because we've been given warning, and you're seeing it materialize before your eyes. That the people who think that they are importing guns and we don't know. We are doing it the right way. We are gathering the evidence, we are putting the case together, and we are putting it before the courts.
The Prime Minister explained that the local counter-offensive against the illicit gun trade is being aided by the United States government.
So all those people who are putting in the guns in the barrels, I tell you, I'm working on that element of it. I'm working very closely with the U.S. authorities. Yes, we are going to get some of those people who are disassembling the guns and putting them into the rice bag, putting them into the soap, and sending it into the barrels. We are going to get you.
Mr. Holness was speaking to party supporters at a political meeting put on by the JLP's youth arm Young Jamaica at the party's headquarters on Belmont Road on Saturday. Javon Keys, TVJ News.